Looks like I have about an hour and a half of more Monday, so it's Motley Monday. Surprise, surprise! Folding at Home broke again! This time it broke because Stanford University, who actually put out the Folding at Home program, decided to change the page that you get all of the user statistics from, for like the first time in PR2's history. So I submitted a poll to fix that. There was also a small fix for the priors command for lazy moderators. This week, a lot of people suggested that I allow one-player games with click-upon dots, as well as the normal 2 to 4-player games. I went ahead and made that change, and now you can access it from the click-upon dots page on JV2. If you're a JV veteran, you might remember that there was a user named Magyar, who later changed his name to Sothel, who later changed his name to Tolyita. This user made a few PR2-themed things in Adobe Flash Player that we had lost after JV went down and his site went down. But a user named Astrovolts sent me a copy of one of the files that Tolyita made way back in the day that helps you design your own PR2 style, whether or not you have the parts needed to do that. I fixed it up a little bit, which includes adding some of the parts that were made after this resource was made. This file has a lot of cool features, one of which being you can actually save an image of your set after you're finished designing it. I'll include a link in the description to a thread which will explain how to use this resource to its full potential. In contest news, Campaign of the Month is still open for round 5, and it will be open until July 15th. I'll leave a link to that thread in the description as well, so you can feel free to go check that out. If you would like to start your own contest, you can post a thread on Ask a Mod. Just outline the details of your contest idea and we'll give you feedback as we see fit. Similarly, if you're already a contest host and you have announcements for your approved contest that you would like featured on Motley Monday, send those to me by Sunday of the week that you want them announced, and I will do my best to announce them. We got one suggestion this week, and that was from Zeno, who suggested that there be donation leaderboards on JV2. I have some mixed feelings about this, which I posted in the thread that he left, so please do leave your comments in that thread and let me know what you guys are thinking. If you have ideas that you'd like to see implemented in either JV2 or PR2, feel free to leave those in the forum links that I leave in the description. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. And from there you could a quick bit of Here's a quick bit of Here's a quick bit of shameless self-advertising. If you'd like to start your I can't say the word start. It's my mom laughing at me. Similarly, if you're already a contest host, bless you! Someone sneezed upstairs. Still recording. Yeah, we're good. Oh my god. I can't with this. Welcome to the last Motley Monday.